up and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for joining me again, and this is just going to be an update on my Jessica hair that I got from AliExpress. And as you guys can see, I lightened it quite a bit, so I just wanted to test, see if it could have withstood the OG YouTube lightening method, which is lightening by developer only. So I used 40 developer and I coated the hair with it, except for like the roots, because I wanted the roots to stay dark, and I left it out in the sun in a plastic bag for a few hours. And this hair processed very quickly, like surprisingly, like within an hour this hair was like completely processed. But I left it on just a little bit longer to see if it would lift anymore. I didn't tone it to make it lighter because I was pretty satisfied with this color here. So yeah, this is, we got it lifted to like a neutral chocolate kind of brown with like some goldish brown accent, you know. It's kind of what it is, but I'm really pleased with the color. Now the hair texture, the curls did relax a little bit. As you can see, they're not as much ringlets as it was before. There are still ringlets, but it's not as much as it was prior to me lightening the hair. But this hair withstood pretty well with lightening with developer only. Now I would not recommend lightening this hair with bleach because I don't think that you would still get, you know, good nice ringlets with this hair. I don't think it's gonna, you know, really withstand 40 volume developer and bleach. But as you can see, this hair lightens just fine with developer only, and still maintains some sort of decent integrity to the hair. The hair is still incredibly soft, incredibly super duper soft. Like it didn't change the behavior of the hair at all. Like I get tangling only in the places where I told y'all the first time I get tangling, which is right there, and still nothing at the nape. So this hair is performing extremely well, considering how affordable it is and what I've done to it so far. So this is just a little update, guys. I'm still super pleased with this hair. I would still recommend this hair at this point, but like I always tell you guys, please just let me finish the review first before you guys go out and buy it, because I don't want you guys, you know, seeing that it's good after a month or so and then, you know, it acts up on you and then you hate me. But please just hold off until the final review before you buy it, so you'll know for sure, you know, if this is something that you want to invest your money in. So yes, that's just my quick little update on this Jessica Hair lace front wig from Amazon. And until my next video, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.